Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to move your Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as with any crypto transaction, always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both the Trust Wallet and Coinbase apps installed on your device. You'll need to be logged into your accounts, and of course, have some ETH sitting in your Trust Wallet. Crypto prices can be volatile, so transferring at the right time could save you money. Keep that in mind. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Ethereum wallet. You'll see your ETH balance right there. Tap on it to access the send option. Now, before you proceed, head over to your Coinbase app or website. Go to your wallet section and copy your Ethereum wallet address. This is crucial. Never send ETH to the wrong address, as it's irreversible. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Coinbase address into the To field. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer, but don't forget to leave a little extra for network fees, which might have changed by 2025 due to updates in blockchain technology. Review the details carefully, then hit send. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything one last time. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on it using the transaction ID. When it's done, hop back to Coinbase and refresh your wallet. You should see your ETH there. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your ETH from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. Remember, always stay secure by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and keeping your apps updated. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.